Welcome everybody, Brian here from T-sportline in Atlanta, and I've got another Cybertruck. This one's brand new. Customer literally picked it up from Tesla, drove it over to T-sportline, and we got started. So we've got Inozetek Midnight Moss PPF. This is a cool new color from Inozetek. It's a kind of a darker satinish green. It's got a little bit of a military vibe to it. I really think this is pretty cool. We've got a nice touch up here. We've got satin black Foundation Series decals. We've got a Cyberbeast satin black decal in the back. And then of course, most importantly, on the wheels, we've got the 20-inch CT7 fully forged monoblock wheels in satin black. Customer wanted to keep his stock 20-inch Goodyear tires. It's a great way to start. All right guys, let us know what you think of this build. Love to hear what you think of this new Inozetek PPF color, and what color do you want to see from us next? All right, if you like this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and come back soon. A lot more Cybertrucks coming your way.